Hello guys. Hello, sunshine. Well, I was at work and something came in the mail. I came. I finished work. And I came. And now let's bring in that special something or special guest that game while I was at work. Shall we? Come on. Come on. Oh. This came in the mail. I bought it from five&below. Okay. Oh, okay. That's screen protector. We don't need the back, right? Yeah, we don't need the back. The special something. Drum roll. Just kidding. Oh. Just a small box. Okay, well, I'm gonna put the camera down so you guys actually could have a better vision of the thing, not my stuff. What we have here is. I need something. We don't know how to open the box, so it's okay. Because we like to open like this and like. Wow. Okay, Apple. I really like it's actually taped on the box. Well, it's not taped, it's like plastic all around. And here, I really have to take the box. Okay. Nothing. Wow. Apple have it used to be this thick. The box used to be this thick. Now it's like this thick. Wow. Okay. Well, it used to be that thick, but now it's like this, which, yeah. We always say Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim when we want to open, so Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Okay. I like the box though. Oh damn, okay. No. Okay. Well, you know, we should be putting the actual screen protector right as soon as we get. It's pretty cool when Apple have like a small box and don't have the actual plastic that's on the actual iPhone. Please be aware of this map for application. Okay. Is there cleaners? Yes, there's cleaners. That's pretty awesome. Okay. Yeah, boss. Boss the negative. Okay. Okay. No, not that. Okay. I don't know how to put. Yep. No. I think it's the only thing that I don't know how to put. I struggle. This is struggle for me. Yeah, fine. Yay! Yay! Finally, I got the screen protector and everything. Man, this is better feeling of the actual. This is how it looks like. If this is the XR, this is the actual iPhone 12 mini. This is how big is it? It's like so small. Oh my god, I miss my mini phones here. Okay, they got the actual SIM card on this side, not this side anymore. Very nice. Of course, we have to put our antimicrobial case, whatever how you say this. Yeah. Go back to your home. Go back to your home. See? Okay. Now is the actual fixing. Oh, okay. Let's finish this. I got what? Oh, the lighting board. Ew. Okay. 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 And like always, Apple really loves sending us their amazing stuff, which includes in portion with Red, Apple will contribute a portion of your iPhone purchase to the global fund to support the HIV or AIDS program and help deliver an AIDS-free generation. Learn more or donate at www.red.org. Okay, thank you. Thanks, Apple. Oh, finally, but why one sticker? I want two stickers. This is like why I bought the iPhone 12 mini for stickers. Just kidding. And like always, the agreement whatever and our thing, which I will need in a moment. Okay, this garbage, this garbage, this garbage, this garbage, this garbage. Doesn't know. This kinda. That's actually garbage. We don't need that, right? Yeah, no. destroying the box. You know how I am, you know. Mm-hmm. Wow, how many cardboard do they need to put in that box to make it really hard? Green. Okay, now we shall say Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim when we open the actual. It's opening. It's opening, it's opening, it's opening, it's opening. We are transferring the actual typical stickers to our new iPhone case because sometimes I just like to show off stuff. So here we go. Yeah, show it off. That's how we do it. Okay. So it's like hello, English, United States, manually. Okay, it's connected to the Wi-Fi. Really awesome. I love how small the iPhone 12 mini is. It's so small. It's like comparing to this. Oh yeah, I have to do this. Why? This is like. Okay. Anyways, let's continue setting up. Get started. I love the Face ID. Again. Face ID is now set up. Now I am setting up. Waiting for other iPhone. Position this image on the frame of your other iPhone. Then my iPhone XR as I finish on new iPhone. It'd be wild. Yeah. Okay, that was a quick unboxing, but the slow transfer. It's transferred from iCloud because it's better. Okay, it's restoring from iCloud. Okay, it's finished restoring the iCloud. Now it's like turning on. It would be taking a while. Yeah, but it was a quick one though. Better than the blue cloud thing. This all for the setup. It's pretty quick for Apple, and I like the unboxing. Who doesn't like unboxing? This is all for the video. Wait for my next videos. These are coming up sooner. Probably sooner. I don't know. Probably the end of this month or next week or something. I don't know. For now, if you like this video, just hit that like button and that subscribe button so you won't miss anything anymore. And that notification bell. Yeah. Don't forget to smile always. And yeah, just smile, right? You just smile. And yeah, you guys are amazing. So and I love you guys so much. For now.